Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. This week's phrase is short and sweet, and as you'll see, it's only got vowels in it, so that can be a bit tricky for some people. They get put off when there's only vowels. No need to be. A, U, E. A, U, E, and there's a macron over the E, so it makes it a bit longer. So this au turns into O, and then this is E. Oh where, and it means not necessarily in a bad way. Oh dear, like like what we might say if a child's stubbed their toe. Oh dear. Oh where, it can be that kind of thing, but it can just be an expression of surprise as well. Oh where. Oh, where? So it's a good one that you can add to your use during this week to practice saying, oh, where? Oh, where? Oh, where? And it's a little bit to do with the tone of voice. And the meaning will probably come out with your tone of voice as well. So it means, oh dear, oh heck, or oh, OMG, or and also in a surprised way, oh, where? Like that as well. Ka kite.